In this video, I'm going to show you how to get black skin color in Roblox Mobile. So first, open up your Roblox application and then click on Avatar and then press on Customize. And then select Head and Body. Under Head and Body, tap or go to Skin. So in here, you will see a lot of colors. And now to get more colors, just click on the Advanced button. But after clicking the Advanced button, you will still have the same color. There is no color black in here. So to get that color, just log in to roblox.com in any browsers that you have and then continue in browser, not continue in app. In here, just tap on the menu, the three horizontal lines on the left side, and then select Avatar. Now, what we need to do next is just tap on the three dots on the upper right corner and then click on Desktop Site so that you have a view of a Roblox using a like a laptop or computer feature. So in here, expand the head and body and then go to skin tone. There you go. So these are all the colors. Now to add more colors, just click on Advanced and then you will have more colors available for you. Even the black color is available. So now let's click on the black color and then as you can see here, your avatar turned black. The skin of your avatar turned black. But into your Roblox application, it is still on the old color. So what you need to do is to reload your Roblox applications. And then as you can see here, the color of your avatar is now black. And that's it guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.